Welcome to another exciting episode on Ebonyi People TV, where we take pride in sharing the stories that have shaped our history and heritage. Today we are diving into the life of a legend whose name resonates across the annals of Nigerian football history. A man whose skill, dedication, and passion not only earned him a spot in the hearts of Nigerians, but also sets the stage for the country's future in football. And the most exciting part is that this man is also from the southeast of Nigeria, Ebonyi State precisely. It's so exciting and encouraging to see how Ndigbo is making everyone proud in Nigeria. And his name is Sam Henshaw Ibiam, known to many as the Black Magnet, Nigeria's first ever national goalkeeper and a proud son of Ebonyi State. Let's take a journey through his remarkable life, exploring how his journey shaped the world of football in Nigeria and beyond. Born on the 4th of April 1925 in Nwana, a small town in Ebonyi State, Sam Ibiam rose from humble beginnings to become a football icon, known for his commanding presence on the field. His story is not only a testament to the talent that flows from the heart of Ebonyi State, but also to the unwavering determination of a man who dedicated his life to the beautiful game. Sam Ibiam's career in football began like that of many great athletes, with hard work, perseverance, and a passion for the sport. His journey took off when he played for the Port Harcourt 10 team, a team that captured the attention of many for its impressive performance in the Old Governors' Cup between 1947 and 1949. It was here that Sam first showcased his remarkable skills as a goalkeeper, earning himself a well-deserved reputation as a force to be reckoned with in Nigerian football. But it wasn't long before his undeniable talent caught the eye of the national team selectors. In 1949, Ibiam was selected to join the Nigerian national football team for what would be an unforgettable tour of the United Kingdom, making him part of what would be known as the 1949 UK Tourists. As Nigeria's first national goalkeeper, Sam Ibiam's presence on the pitch was unforgettable, known for his sharp reflexes, powerful saves, and unmatched agility. He earned the nickname the Black Magnet, a name that would stick with him throughout his career and beyond. Ibiam became a symbol of excellence in the Nigerian football scene, and his legacy began to grow. During his 9 years with the national team, Ibiam set an incredible record. It is claimed that he conceded just 5 goals in those 9 years, a feat that remains etched in history as a true testament to his skill and mastery of the game. His impeccable goalkeeping was a crucial element in Nigeria's rise to prominence in African football, and his achievements were revered both locally and internationally. Ibiam's international career with the Nigerian national team came to an end in 1958 when he retired from international football, leaving behind an unrivaled legacy. But even after hanging up his gloves, Ibiam's impact on Nigerian football continued to be felt. After retiring from active football, Sam Ibiam transitioned into coaching. In 1960, he took on the role of head coach for the Aba 10 team. His coaching career continued to thrive as he later went on to manage the Nigerian Broadcasting Corporation football team from 1965 to 1967. As a coach, Ibiam's experience as a player shaped his approach to the game, inspiring many younger footballers who were lucky enough to be mentored by him. Despite retiring from football, Sam Ibiam never truly left the sport. His contributions to the game went beyond the field, and his influence on the next generation of footballers was undeniable. He became a living legend, a symbol of the golden years of Nigerian football. Sam Ibiam's excellence on the field was also recognized through various awards. In 1987, he was honored at First National Sports Award for Sports Heroes and Heroines of Yesteryear, a well-deserved tribute to his years of dedication to Nigerian football. Ibiam's dedication to the game and his country was further acknowledged when, in 1958, he helped Nigeria win the Jalco Cup, an international honor that solidified his position as one of the country's greatest footballers. His performance, however, wasn't just about his technical ability. It was also about his leadership, his discipline, and his commitment to the sport, qualities that made him a role model for aspiring players and coaches alike. Sam Ibiam's story is one of grit, resilience, and passion. He stood as a true testament to the values that define the Igbo spirit: determination, hard work, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. From the dusty fields of Wana to the international stage, Ibiam made a name for himself as Nigeria's first national goalkeeper and one of the pioneers of Nigerian football. But like many greats, his time with us eventually came to an end. On December 2nd, 2015, Sam Ibiam passed away peacefully at the age of 90 in his residence in Ebonyi State. His death marked the end of an era, but his legacy still lives on. Ibiam's contributions to Nigerian football and the history of the sport will never be forgotten. His impact on the game, particularly on the development of Nigerian football, has been monumental. As we remember the life of Sam Henshaw Ibiam, we reflect not only on his accomplishments, but also on the lessons he taught. Lessons of perseverance, commitment, and the importance of community. He was more than just a footballer. He was a pioneer, a trailblazer, and a source of inspiration for generations of Nigerians. Thank you so much for joining us today on Ebonyi People TV. Don't forget to always like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from the hearts of Ebonyi State and beyond. Until next time, we'll see you in our next video.